I can think of many reasons you might need a winch on the job site or off-road, but I can only think of one winch you're going to need, and it's a Warn. The Warn VR Evo 10S is a great option for your trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps. From its sleek and rugged design to its impressive performance, this winch is a beast when it comes to pulling power. With a whopping 10,000 pounds of pulling capacity, you'll be able to get out of even the stickiest of situations. Whether you're tackling mud, rocks, or steep inclines, this winch has got your back. And the S stands for synthetic. The synthetic line is stronger, safer, and lighter than traditional cable. They're designed to withstand the elements and keep on performing, even in the harshest conditions. And did I mention it's got a waterproof all-bright contactor? Rain, snow, or river crossings, this winch isn't backing down. This winch comes with a wired controller, giving you the freedom to operate the winch from a safe distance. The VR Evo 10S comes with a dynamic braking system that offers precise control, preventing any uncontrolled spooling of the synthetic line. Your safety matters, and this winch is engineered with that in mind. And let's not forget the 3-stage planetary gear train, ensuring smooth and reliable operation every time. The Warn VR Evo 10S is a true game changer in the world of winches. Its power, durability, and advanced features make it an essential tool for any serious off-roader. Whether you're tackling rugged terrains or assisting fellow off-roaders, this winch has got what it takes. If you want to know more about the VR Evo 10S from Warn, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.